Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to export contacts from Systeme.io quickly and easily. First, log into your Systeme.io account. From the dashboard, move your mouse over Contacts in the top menu and click Contacts. Here you'll see the list of all your contacts inside Systeme.io. If you want, you can use the filters at the top to export a specific group of contacts, such as contacts with a certain tag, campaign, or status. Once you're ready, look for the export option on the page and click it. Systeme.io will then prepare your contacts file for download. In most cases, your contacts will be exported as a CSV file, which you can open in Excel, Google Sheets, or import into another email marketing platform. Depending on your contact list size, the export may take a few moments. Once it's ready, download the exported file to your computer. Now you'll have a backup of your contact list, including important details like email addresses and any other fields available in your export. Exporting contacts is useful if you want to back up your list, move subscribers to another platform, or organize your data outside Systeme.io. That's it. You've successfully exported contacts from Systeme.io, and if you're planning to use Systeme.io, check out my recommended link in the description below. As a special bonus, anyone who joins through my link will receive my free guide, Wrapped Gift, 100 High Converting Email Subject Lines for Affiliate Marketing. These proven subject lines can help increase email open rates, get more clicks, and potentially generate more affiliate commissions. You'll find all the details in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick GetResponse tutorials.